this video, I'm going to show you how to create invoices in QuickBooks. So you need to start by heading over to the QuickBooks application, and we need to click on New in the top left-hand side and select Invoice. So the first thing you need to do is select a customer that you want to send this invoice to. You can either select one from the list or you can go and create a new customer. Enter the email address of the person that you're sending this invoice to. Select the billing address, terms, and invoice date. Then scroll down to the products and services and click on the table. Click on the drop-down arrow and select Add New. Now from here, you can go and add your product or service. So mine's an online purchase, so I'm going to click on non-stock and then enter the details about your product. Once you finish, just click on Save and Close. Decide whether you want to enter a description for your product or service. Select the quantity and the amount that you want to charge for this service. You can also decide to add additional information to the invoice using this message feature, and we can also add attachments as well. Now, if you want people to be able to go and pay your invoices online, then you need to make sure that you have card payments set up. Now, to customize your invoice, click on the settings icon in the top right hand side, and then you can check these boxes to hide or show fields on your invoice. Click on change what your customers see, and from this window, you'll be able to change the branding of your invoice. So you can adjust things like the color by clicking this option here and adding your own personal touches to the invoice. If you have a company logo, you can also add this from this screen. Click on the content tab, and we can also reorder and edit parts of this invoice. Now, this right hand panel here is what the invoice will look like when you send it to your customers. Click on the emails tab, and once again in the right hand side, this is a preview of what the invoice will look like when you email it to your customers. So once again, you can just scroll down this list and you can make changes to your invoice. Once you're finished with your invoice, click on Save and Send, and then you can go and customize your email for what it looks like when you send this invoice to your customer. Now, before sending this, I recommend setting up payment so people can just click on this review and pay button and you'll be able to receive the online payment instantly. So once you're ready, press Send and Close. And if you want to manage your invoices, just click on Sales and select Invoices, and from this window you'll be able to see all of the invoices that you've sent out, and you'll be able to see which ones have been paid and which ones are still due. You can also select invoices from this list and you can delete them like so. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.